Crude oil beautifully hit the zone at 67.868, the targets which we were looking forward to, but right now it is seen struggling to break beyond. But it is natural gas which has failed to break beyond 3.4 at 3.5 and has reversed sharp. Now trading at a support zone at 3.35. What to expect now from oil and gas today? We also have the inventory data for crude oil, which might add on to the volatility. Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit trading oil and gas today. We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be there before the US session. And this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates for oil and gas, such that you can profit across sessions, be it the Asia, Europe, or US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See what's happening in oil. You can see every rise offsets with a little retracement towards 20 period, rise retracement towards 20 period, and now you have to wait. You have to wait for it to break out either on the upside or on the downside. Remember, a drop now below 67, because 67 is a good support for now. 67, 66.5. This is the zone oil need to breach in order to confirm further bearishness. Also right now it is seen taking support here, and hence after the drop it may try to bounce back a little. If you see it is staying beyond 67.4 levels, 67.6 levels rather, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 68, and beyond 68 it is going to move all the way towards 68.5, 69.3 and 70. Moving average is right now bullish, stochastic rising. The MACD interestingly has crossed over for a sell entry. Let's see if it continues on the downside here. RSI placed comfortably. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, see, I have mentioned this, after this greater decline, sharper divergence in the moving averages. Now these have crossed over on the buy side. It has formed a base at 64. With that as base, it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. What has happened since then? It has consistently delivered higher lows, higher highs. Trading in this bullish channel. Where are the lows of this channel? Towards 66. So ideally, bearishness in oil is only if you see it is staying below 66. Else it is still bullish. Notice what has happened for the last few candles. After the drop, a reversal sign, consolidation trying to break out. So now if you see oil trading beyond 67.6, buy here and expect 68. Beyond 68, we are looking forward to further rise. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic has dropped, placed comfortably as of now. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, not a good sign. See, it has still got lot much of room on the upside. So wait for this to deliver couple of red candles, because see, once it crosses over, more bearishness might prevail. Right now I can see a greater struggle here. The supports on the downside till 67 are pretty strong. RSI has dropped sharp here. On the 3 hour chart, again on the 3 hour charts, the crossover in the moving averages is on the buy side. Notice higher lows, higher highs. Notice this bullish channel here. Let it stay beyond 68 and 68.5 levels. This will confirm the next bullish move. Notice the space on the upside is wide open here. So a possible move beyond 68 towards 70 can be expected here. Stochastic right now trading bearish. The MACD is in green. The RSI placed comfortably here. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at, see on the 4-hour charts, couple of consolidation candles, and now once it trades beyond 67.6, we can look forward to another bullish candle here. What it is doing after this greater rise, it is trying to trade in this sideways zone where the it is still bullish channel. Remember, the highs are now towards 68.5, breaking beyond which more bullishness should prevail. While on the downside, see the crossover in the moving average is on the buy side. So yes, you can sell at 67, but then you can see 66.6, 66.4, the strongest support, and 66 the greater one. Below 66 is where you can say now the bears are back. Below 66, you can expect it to trade bearish towards 65. Stochastic bearish here. The MACD is still rising. RSI is still showing a rise. Coming to daily chart. Now first on the daily chart, see rise, retracement, rise. It could retrace here. Yes, this could repeat this pattern where prices might move lower. But what you are seeing here, see, another way to look at it is diminishing bullishness in these two candles. Resistance here from the median of the Bollinger Bands, and 68 we know is a, previously this was a good support. Now this should offer a greater resistance here. So now it is pretty important for oil to trade above 68. Now see, if it trades above 68 and 68.5 today, this might confirm a greater rise towards 69.3 and in fact $70 zone very, very soon. And beyond 70, we should look forward to 72. But right now, what's happening? Base, rise, retracement, rise. So it could follow with a retracement here. Retracement towards 66. But remember, reversal confirmation only below 65. And bearish confirmation crash confirmation is only below 64. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI flat. So see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading. Join my mentorship batch. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout life. Join the next batch. Starts middle of July. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you are just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for queries. Also, it is very, very important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. So now I'll recommend you to buy here at 67.6, expect 68, 68.2 at the first target zone, 68.5, 68.6 at the next. If these two levels are taken today, stay bullish for 69.3, $70 zone. 70 is very, very critical now for oil to break. Beyond this, 71.8, 72 should be there very soon. Right now, it is not showing so aggressive bullishness here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 67 levels, where you can expect 66.6, 66.4 as the first target zone, 66, 65.8 as the second. If it trades below 66, 65.8, 65.4, 65.5 the next, and 65 the third. I will say till 64. Oil has got greater hurdles here on the downside, which suggests that the supports are pretty strong and the down move is going to be pretty sticky. It is going to be difficult, but once it breaches these levels, we can see a brisk drop as well, and hence you have to be careful. If it starts to slide down, you have to trail your stop losses strictly till 64. Bounce back chances will be high. Below 64, there is no reversal. A greater crash should follow. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart, see what it did. It has hit the highs here at 3.48. Double top is formed. It is retraced. Now see what has happened. It is yet to break low. It is yet to break the lows it has created. What it may try to do, it may try to bounce back from these levels. And see, it has formed now a very, very good base here at 3.34 levels. So this is getting critical for net gas to trade below 3.34, 3.32 zone. If these levels are taken, more bearishness to follow. The moving averages again crossed over for a sell. However, the diminishing move suggests that it can possibly bounce back. But the worry point here is the double top which it has created here. It is very important for it to breach this double top in order to confirm the reversal. Stochastic oversold, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat. On the 2-hour charts, and you see similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. Notice this. First, it has to breach beyond 3.38 and 3.4 zone. This is the first resistance which is going to be a bigger hurdle for nat gas to break. If it trades beyond 3.34, 3.38, 3.4 and 3.42, you can say this is a possible reversal confirmation. So let's watch out how it behaves here. Right now, I can see the support coming in out pretty strong, and it is possible that it can form a symmetry and rise from the current levels. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trading bearish, it has crossed over for sell. Right now, suggestive of more bearishness ahead. RSI flat. On the 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See this consolidation going on. Let it break either on the upside or on the downside. I can see 3.34 right now coming out to the rescue and offering it a very, very good support. And this zone, I will say, till towards 3.3 is going to remain difficult for net gas to break. On the upside, see moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. It is pretty important for gas to break 3.5 and 3.6 in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic here oversold, MACD crossing over again for sell, RSI is trading bearish as well. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See what is happening. Look at this. The prices are just kissing 50 period and reversing. And now see, this is also delivering lower highs and lower lows. This is the channel. So now if it trades below 3.3, 3.28, the next targets are towards 3.2, 3.12 and $3 zone. Stochastic oversold, the MACD trying to cross over for sell. The RSI is also trading bearish. Coming to the daily, now see the daily charts here. See what is swing here. It has filled the gap, and see yesterday it has started with a double top and moved lower. Also, it is closed at the bottom. Now it is pretty important first for gas to trade below 3.32, and if that is taken, you can expect this is again a greater down move which is on the way. Else, what is happening here? See, yesterday we have seen a pullback, and today again it may start and move upwards towards 3.5 levels here. The moving averages have crossed over here. Trading with divergence is staying bearish. And another way to look at it is here, the higher highs, the higher lows. So larger channel in which it is trading. which suggests the highs now on the upside are towards 4.44, 4.5 zone. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading sharply bearish, RSI bearish. So considering this, what I'll recommend you to buy here at 3.36 levels itself. When you see net gets below above 3.36, you can buy. Expect 3.38, 3.4, 3.42. Till 3.42, it has got very good resistance. Beyond 3.42, it can show you a swift move towards 3.45 and then towards 3.48, 3.5 zone. Any move beyond 3.5 is stay bullish. Close your eyes, stay bullish for 3.55, 3.6. And then sky is the limit on the upside. Beyond 3.6, we are looking at 3.8 levels very, very soon. Right now, it is not showing any strength. It is trading bearish. But I will say you have to wait. You have to wait for it to trade below 3.34, 3.32 zone in order to confirm bearishness. So if you see now natural gas trading below 3.35, take a selling 3.3, I will say 3.335. You can take a selling entry at 3.335. Expect it to move towards 3.315, 3.3 and 3.28. Any drop below 3.28. Stay short. 3.24, 3.2, 3.12, $3 zone should be there very, very soon. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Watch that as well. Thank you.